Okay, it's a little bit trickier to put the second seat on, but it does work. The two-seater seat does work. Right. Just need to paint this a different colour because this doesn't suit with the blue. Good morning. It's been a while since I've been in the shed, but we've got some work to do in here. I've taken the seat off. This is the two-seater seat that I bought a long while ago, and it's the wrong colour. It's blue. My BMW's not blue, it's black. So I'm just going to clean it up a bit, hammer right underneath, sand down the top probably, and maybe put some primer down. Okay, so cleaned up, dried up, just now to start adding some layers of paint, I guess. Just taped up the BMW badge. This is going to have a sticker on it, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, let's start priming. It's not the best time of year to be doing this, but right, I just need this to hang up. And then I need to go buy some black paint. So that's going to be there for 24 hours. Weather's nice tomorrow, maybe if I can get some black, spray it black. Not perfect, but it's going to look, I think it should look quite alright when it's done. But I still need to do the underside, but I think I'm going to, for the underside I'm just going to brush paint it. And that's going to be brush painted black hammerite, I think, just to protect it. Yeah, looking good. Ah, hammerite, lovely. Right, so next part, I found my hammerite. I think we're just going to go with a couple of coats of hammerite, not a lot, just a couple of coats. Go very gentle with this. Need a lot of covers on this though, a lot of layers I think, so just keep going until half the can's gone at least. It's getting there, it's getting there. Hopefully this BMW logo is okay under that paint, that cover, so yeah, looking good. I've done a lot of painting and I want it to be somewhat nice, because yeah, I'm just not 100% with this, and it's not the can, it's the nozzle, it's definitely the nozzle. So I'll leave that now. Let's rotate it around. But it's pretty fine, it's not really bad, it's passable, but I just want it to be a little bit better. Okay, so it came out alright, not perfect, but you know, it will do. There's only a second-hand seat anyway, so yeah, that's all been hammerited. I just need to glue that thing back in, so I need to glue that back in. This came out alright, a few little flakes here and there, but nothing too quite smooth. So I'm relatively happy with that. It's you know, at a quick glance it'll look alright now. Is the BMW badge intact? Ah, that's pretty good. Oh, a bit of residue there, but oh no, a little bit of blue paint there. Dear oh dear. Well, bit of marker pen maybe, bit of Sharpie maybe just to cover that over. But yeah, that looks all right. I can live with that. This is only going to be for. It's fine. It's fine. Came out all right. Not bad for a cheap job anyway. Just with leftover paint as well. So yeah, That looks alright. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Plus it'll look good from far away. Plus there'll be something on here anyway. There'll be a rack of tools or something strapped to the back. Right, let's get some super glue. Right, let's screw back in the seat. Stick it on the bike. It's on. It's on really solid. It's really good. However, I lose my function of getting to the toolbox quickly. I think I can just slide it back though. Let's have a look. So you unclip it. I think I slide it forward or back. Okay, and then I can get to the toolbox. Okay, so it's not ideal. That's the luggage not letting me open the door. Oh well. Hang on a second. Okay, so I can get to tools. I'm going to take the toolbox out so easily, but I can get to tools. So it's this handle, isn't it? So. Yeah, this is stopping it from opening all the way. Now I can't mount this any lower. I can't do anything to this. I can't go any lower because it will hit the exhaust.
It looks pretty good. Apart from the seat opening problem isn't the best. I didn't film it, but I did actually spray it with lacquer as well. Quite a few coats just to protect it, of course. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the description. Whatever. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.